What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the NUBWO wireless gaming headset. Big shout out to NUBWO for sending this over for a review. I dropped the product purchase link down below. So this is the model number HG04. These are wireless gaming headset, like I said. So some of the other features and details, these feature 7.1 surround sound. These are 2.4 gigahertz Bluetooth. You're going to get about 80 hours of battery life. These weigh 270 grams. They are foldable. It features mic monitoring. They are 4-in-1 multi-platform connectivity as well. Over-the-ear design, low lag, and these are going to be ideal for your Mac, laptop, Xbox, Switch, phone, and PS5. So those are just a few of the features and details. Should get into more as we get into the video. Here's the packaging, NUBWO HG04. There's a nice photo of the headset, wireless gaming headset right there. Leave all the ways that you can contact them for support right there. And then you have your different connectivities right here. So let's go ahead and get into the box and check these out. So in the box, I'll put the box right there. How about that? And then we're going to check this out. So in this packaging here, that little wrap right there has their logo on it. That's pretty nice. We're going to get our headset, and then we're going to get some stuff here in this bag. So let's see what we got. So you're going to have your USB to 3.5 cable right here. You're going to have your USB A to USB-C cable. And then you're going to have two dongles here. You got a USB-C, and then you also have a USB-A. I don't know if they call these receivers or what, but you got those in there. Plus, you're going to have your user's manual here as well. Help you get started and use this. All right, so let's set that stuff to the side. Take a look at the headset. So right off the bat, I can tell you these are all plastic, but they have a nice weight to them. They don't feel so light, like some of the other budget headphones are very light. You can barely tell you got them in the hand. You got some branding up here at the top. These are adjustable like that. And as you guys see, these are foldable as well. You got some nice padding for the top of your head right there. These do swivel in and out. And they also lean in like that as well. So here's your microphone right there. You can put this up, or you don't have to use it or whatever. You can just use them as regular headphones if you want. Nice soft padding right here. And then let's look at the buttons here. So you got your one touch there for your microphone, turn it on and off. You got your Type-C port here for charging and connecting that cable that we saw with the 3.5 on one end and the Type-C. You plug that into whatever device you're using. You get a power button right here. Volume up and down, probably skip and fast forward. And then you get your Bluetooth 2.4 gigahertz button right there. Now this side, it doesn't have anything on it. And I don't think that these are LEDs right here. I think they're just there for aesthetics. And very nice. Their logo look like a wolf. I guess that's what that is. I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm going to get some devices and try this out and let you guys know what I think about it. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have used these for about 24 hours, and my initial impression of these, they're great. For this price range, I don't think you're going to find anything that performs better than these, and I really like them. As far as comfort and fit, I do like the idea that these are adjustable. I was able to fit these to my head very nicely. The memory foam and padding make them great for wearing for long periods of time. Now, these are over-ear and they swivel. So you're going to get your perfect fit that you need. Now, I have small ears, so my ears will be able to fit inside of these, so it cuts out on a lot of the outside noise out there. These They don't have A and C, but with these fitting completely over my ears, they were very nice. So comfort and fit, very nice. They do have a little weight, but you don't feel that after you wear it for a little while. So ease of use, the buttons and everything on here are very nice. Easy to find. If you press the mic mute button, it's going to tell you that the mic is muted. If you turn these on, it's going to let you know that they're turned on. If you accept a phone call, it's going to go ahead and accept it. What I like about these two, these are updated. With the other ones, you had a wire that was wired to it and you couldn't unplug it. With these, they made it where you can unplug the wires and use them just as an independent headset as well. So all controls buttons work great on here. No issues with the switches and button. Now the sound on these have 40 millimeter drivers. They sound great. The bass is very thick. Mids and highs sound great as well. Now you're not going to get sound like you're going to get from a $400 headset, but these are decent and nice, real nice for the price of these. So I also use these to make phone calls. The mic has noise canceling, I think it's called on there, so it isolates your voice and where they can hear you very clearly. The people I talk to say the mic sound great, and I can hear them very well using the headset as well. So here's the sample of the microphone. Okay guys, so this is the quality that you're going to get from the microphone on the NUBWO wireless gaming headset. If I wanted to mute the mic, simply press the button. When you unmute it, it lets you know that the mic is back on. So this is the mic quality from the NUBWO wireless gaming headset. So as you guys see, the microphone sounds great. What I like about it, you can fold it up out of the way, get rid of it if you don't need to use it. So next, what I used this for was for gaming, movies, watching videos, listening to music. I used them wired and wirelessly, and they work flawlessly both ways. So with my laptop, I use these wired. I watch a movie on these with these. I watch some YouTube videos and things like that, and I didn't have any issues. Like I said, the sound is very nice on them, very comfortable to go through a whole movie and not have to remove them or ear fatigue or anything like that. So the next way I used them was with my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. I listen to a lot of music with these, with the Z Fold 8, and I use them Bluetooth. No latency, low lag, didn't lose anything for us lip sync and things like that for us on the YouTube videos. They work great. And the last way that I use them was with my Nintendo Switch 2, and I play games with this. I use them wired and wirelessly with this, and no latency, no lag with this. It worked perfect. It allows you to be immersive in your gaming that you're doing, and you're gonna lose track of time because, like I said, they're so lightweight and the sound is great on them. So I guess my overall opinion on these, for the price of these, you're not gonna find anything in this price range that's gonna sound like these. And like I said, they made some improvements from the last one. Come with everything that you need to use with multiple devices, and fold up, compact, throw them in your bag and keep it moving. So this has been my look at the NUBWO wireless gaming headset. This is the HG04 model. I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go pick it up. Will H, I'm out.